cake!
Today's challenge for the connectors is the highest drop.
Guys, I know how to build this track. Give me your hand with the design, Tom. We can put the ladder here. We'll attach the track here. Awesome! Great! This track is so cool, guys! Come on, Danny. Let's go, Matt! I'll get the volcano. You grab the track, all right? Okay. Let's set up the ladder. Connectors! It's time to connect! Let's do this track, guys! Come on, Danny, you got it! Let's go! Yeah, all right! Yeah! How fast? 466! Wow! We can do better than that! I think we should raise the track some more, Tom! Go for it, Danny! This will make it even faster! No! What happened? Wait, we have to stabilize the track. Okay, Danny. Come on, guys! Super fast! Wow! Yeah! All right, that did it! Well, 520! Awesome, guys! And we've done it again! Cool!
Don't miss the next episode where the connectors will create another awesome track. Join the team at HotWheels.com. Sets, track, cars, and apparel each sold separately. Batteries not included. Adults is 7.